Hello people, so today we'll be solving LeetCode daily question 1255 maximum score words found by letters. And first of all, I'm very sorry for the video being delayed, and I'll be not able to use along with the camera because there was some technical issues with my laptop, due to which this video also got delayed, and I'll be not able to use the camera, but I'll get this fixed by tomorrow. Okay, so without wasting any time, we'll just dive into the question. We'll be given a list of words, list of single letters might be repeating, and score of every character, and we have to return the maximum score of any valid set of words found by the using the given letters words I. Words cannot be used two or more times. Words I cannot be used two or more times. Okay, and it is not necessary to use all the characters and letters, and each letter can be used only once. For example, score of letters A, B, C up to Z is given by score 0, score 1, and score 25 respectively. Okay, so for example, we are given the input array words for in the words array we are having dog, cat, dad, and good. Letters which are available are A, C, D, 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 G, O, O. Okay, and along with their score. For example, this means that A scored 1, B scored 0, C scored 9, and D scored 5. Okay, and so on. I guess C, D, this is okay, D, E, F, this happens to be G. Okay, so we are having the scores, yeah, it's as follows, and we'll be given the letters. We can form the words dad and good with the maximum score of 23. And if we'll choose the words dad and dog, we'll only be getting a score of 21. Okay, so we have to return the maximum score which we can form by the letters. Okay, so firstly what we'll be doing is we'll be having a letter count, like how many times the letter is appearing. So for that, let's have a frequency array that will be equal to new int of size 26. Okay, and then we'll be having a letters frequency array, letter fric, let's call it, that will also be equal to new int of size 26. Okay, and now we'll be updating our uh, frequency array, that for sorry, char ch in letters. Yeah, okay, and we'll what I'll be doing is I'll be doing frequency of ch minus a, and I'll be incrementing it. Okay, and then I'll be having my answer variable, as I'll be calling the function find maximum, that will be equal to find maximum. Okay, and in this we'll be passing the words array, words, my score array, score. Okay, my frequency array, my letter frequency array, my I'll tell you this and this as well. The index, basically this stands for the index, then this is my temp variable, my current, let's say, the temp answer, and here I'll be having my answer. Okay, let's have this as integer dot. Okay, I'll guess I'll have to initialize it. I'll just do one thing. What I'll do is I'll put my answer equal to 0, and then I'll update my answer equal to this, and here I'll pass my answer as well. And or again even just declare my answer globally, and I'll return my answer. Okay. Yeah. Now let's quickly write the code for the private. This will be returned. I will be end find maximum, and in this will be having a string array of words, my score array, score, my frequency array, and frequency, and letter frequency array, letter fric, comma, my index variable, my temp variable, and my answer variable. Okay, and int answer. Okay, so this has gotten to be long. I'll just break it over here. And a tab. Okay, now I guess it will be easy to understand. Okay, and now I'll write my function, which is this find maximum, which is having my score array, my words array, and so on. Okay, so firstly I'll be doing that. I'll be using all the letters. So for int I equal to 0, my I will be less than 26, I plus plus. What I'll be doing is I'll be checking that if my letter frick, that means that I've already used that letter, comes out to be greater than my total frequency of the letter. So in that case, I have to return my current answer, return answer. Okay, or else what I have to check is be updating my answer all the time. That will be equal to the maximum of, because basically this means this is a check that we cannot use a letter more than the time than it's occurring. Okay, my answer comma my temp variable. Okay, and then what I'll be doing is that for int I equal to 0, okay, I less than, oh okay, sorry, I equal to index, sorry, I equal to index, I less than 26, no, oh, sorry, I less than words dot length, because that index is representing the words array. Okay, words dot length I plus plus. Okay, and then we'll be having that for char ch in words I dot to character array, to character array, okay, array. Okay, and in this case what I'll be doing is I'll be increasing my letter fric of ch minus a. I'll be incrementing it, and then what I'll be doing is I'll be updating my temp score as score of ch minus a. Okay, and then I'll be calling the function again, that will be equal to answer will be equal to, I'll just copy it from here, find maximum, but I'll be just changing the parameters. Okay, answer equal to this. Here I'll be passing my words, score frequency, letter frequency here, but my index, oh sorry, index will be I plus 1 now, and my temp variable will be temp. Okay, and just a symbol. Okay, and the next thing which I can do is I cannot choose that word, so again for I'll just copy this loop instead. It's very similar to this. Okay, and now let's paste it. Here just in this case I'll be decrementing the letter frequency, and here also I'll be removing it from the temp score. I'll be subtracting it basically, because this is just the backtracking case, and at the end I'll be returning my uh, answer. Okay, and now let's run it. I guess I submitted it by mistake. Yeah, oh no, yeah, and it gets accepted. Now let's submit it. Okay, yeah, and works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry for the delay of the video.